If you want to delete your Walmart account permanently, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is removed from their system. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your Walmart account using your username and password. Make sure you're accessing the correct account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the website or app. Step 3. Find account deletion option. Look for an option related to account management or account deletion. This may be labeled as close account, delete account, or something similar. Step 4. Follow deletion instructions. Click on the account deletion option and follow the prompts provided. You may need to confirm your identity or provide a reason for leaving. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After completing this step, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account deletion request has been processed. Check your email for any final confirmation from Walmart. Once you have completed these steps, your Walmart account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to download any necessary information or order history before initiating the deletion process.